Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we want to rank in order of increasing boiling point the following solution. We're going to be given first of all 0.40 molal phenol, next up 0.015 molal calcium chloride. On spot number 3 we're going to have 0.030 molal potassium bromide, which is KBr, and on spot number 4 we're going to have 0.05 molal glycerin. So in order to rank them, we're going to need the values for the Van Hoff factors for each of the compounds. Remember that for each of them, the Van Hoff factor is going to be related to the number of ions produced in solution. So the Van Hoff factor for phenol is going to be equal to 1. For calcium chloride is going to be equal to 3, since the solution is going to generate calcium to plus 2 of Cl minus. For potassium bromide is going to be equal to 2, since it's producing K plus Br minus. And for glycerin is going to be equal to 1. Next up, the other thing that we know is that the change of boiling point for a solution with respect to the pure substance is going to be equal to the molality times a constant times the Van Hoff factor, where the constant is going to be the boiling point increasing constant. So since then delta TB is going to be proportional to I times the molality, we need to take the product over here. So let's do the product of I times the molality of the solution. For the first one is going to be 0.04. For the second one it would be equal to 0.045. For this one would correspond to 0.06, and for glycerin would correspond to 0.05. So the higher the value of I times m, the higher the boiling point. So for this reason, the ranking would be the highest boiling point would correspond to KBr. Next up, we're going to it is going to be on increasing. So let's begin with the lowest. The lowest one would correspond to 0.04 over here. Next up, we would get 0.045. On third position, the glycerin, and finally, the KBr solution. So in order of increasing boiling point, we're going to have 0.040 molal phenol, which is going to be lower than that of 0.015 calcium chloride, which is going to be lower than 0.05 molal glycerin, which is going to be lower than 0.030 molal KBr. And this would be our final ordering for our answer. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.